So we're here at the Dillon, and this is where we have, and you guessed it, the day has come, and we have elevators to ride in here. There are more elevators in this mixed-use building. So take a ride on this. So this elevators. Nice. How many doors is this? All the three elevators are here. 9. Close down. Close fast. So this is Gen 2s.
Ninth floor.
We are 9. What a nice view we have here. This is the Dillon lobby. They're renovating it here. I think I'm wrong for sure. 1.
First floor.
Let's cab view of this thing. Nice stainless steel cab. Go out. I think we should end it at 3.
Third floor.
We are at 3. Outside is another view. Over there is another elevator. It goes around the Union Station, and it just gone so quick. So that's it.